If your SuperBox is having network issues, you can try this simple method to fix it. Step 1. Reset the box first. Go to the main home screen, open Settings. Scroll down and select Device Preferences. Then select About. Scroll down and choose Factory Reset. Select Confirm Factory Reset. Then choose Erase Everything. Your SuperBox will now begin the reset process. Please wait for the box to restart. Once it turns back on, you'll need to set up the device again from the beginning. Step 2. Check your internet connection. After the reset, your internet connection may return to normal. If everything is working properly and you can see the App Store, simply open it and download the apps again to start using them as usual. If your internet connection is working but you cannot find the App Store, follow the next steps to download the App Store manually using the browser. You can use 2 website addresses to download the app. Change the remote control to mouse mode. Enter the website address in the search bar, 143326.cc. The App Store will automatically start downloading, or enter the website address 14325.cc. Once the website opens, click on the app icon to start downloading. Open the downloaded file. Go to Settings and enable Install Unknown Apps for Chrome. Tap Install. After that, your box will function normally again. However, until the issue is fully resolved, the App Store may disappear again if you perform a factory reset, and you'll need to repeat the previous steps to restore it. To permanently resolve the issue, please follow the steps below to complete the OTA update. For all user, open the App Store. You will see the TVROM Updater OTAA is available to update. Click once to update. After updating, either open the app directly from the App Store or navigate to the Apps menu to open it. Confirm the download prompt and wait for it to finish. Follow the on-screen guide to install the zip file. The system will update again. Wait for this process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once the update finishes, the system will require a reboot. Confirm the prompt and your box will restart. The App Store will remain installed even after a reset. And that's it.